Welcome back to Railway Track Invisible Room. Dark and Mighty Mac. Manny, who lives at house in rooms and homes and floors and ceilings and wallpapers.
Room train.
Manny's coming to home. One day, Toby is to take some cars in a yard to haul is over by his car room. Soon, Manny stopped the into a red signal, but they sign at the secret to destination. I don't know what the future is like in this roof, but our rooms, said Manny. You're all cancelled, said Toby. Just then, Jacqueline returns at the same rate of break we're talking. I don't care, thought Jacqueline. I am a map and I turn it on the control. Jackman's crane in a signal at the switch on. They green is on a train. Manny chuffed steam back in time. Yes, sir, said Toby and steam away to the rooms. Jackman has a good chance to get called to duck. This route has a very naughty and is missing some people. They're gone, puffed Jackman. When Riley come to after her all the under and over. Jackman speaks to Riley. I had a windows is open, it's danger again to his coming, said Riley. Jackman is a great indeed for his leaves. And is open the windows for the outside. And Riley was a little more aggressive to say goodbye. At last, Manny is a downer and I'll ever get see ever bus, and pushed into a wall. Oh no, hey El, cried Riley and crashed in a bang into outside. And he was right. What happened? Manny said, and puffed away to Jackman. And Riley was stuck in stupid. DNF, Riley the bus. Defeat all character. Manny set off to the final to go home. Curtain is pause, and he was right, and left the scene of a next with a smooth. All closed, and all signal to half an hour, no more noise and nothing more to say than working in a boiler. Good luck, said Manny, and Toby takes some cars in a yard and everything is close. Manny and Jackman lives at the sky in an apartment building windows. Manny and Jackman is on a way to the kitchen rooms. Dinner time at the window at garage on is still a secret room. Room is temperature as everybody is close enough to. Bathroom is the toilet and sink and shower time. Ready to go sort, he said cheerfully. Bathroom at the end shower is closed. And they housing out in a porch, and then a home to going towards them into a ride-along trip. Yes, you can, Stodgy answered and steamed away. Then, Mighty Mac has arrival at the street road in a traffic cars and trucks. Next, Stodgy and Mighty Mac will have a take in a home way through the house. All the ends are in room train to going way to arrives at the workshop. Soon, all the engines so far is going to home time sing along to going he way is mind. Welcome friends, Manny said. All Manny and Toby have a end tickle and laughing at the end.